Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to copy Google Photos to your computer. You have to start by open browser. Now we have a few options how to share it. If you have few photos, you can open Google Photos. Of course, you need to sign in into your account. Also, at the right top, click at the profile icon and make sure that you use your correct account. So this one is mine. You can swap to another account or add new one. It's up to you. So you need to be signed in into your account. Then you just select some photos, click at the three dots and click download. Then you need to wait a bit. And right here we have zip file, so you can move it to some folder. If you want to save more than few photos, or you wanna save all of them, then I recommend it to use Google Takeout service. So you need to write Google Takeout. Also need to sign in into your account, and also you should check if you use your correct account and change if you use some another account. Firstly, click deselect all, because we need to save only Google Photos, not another Google services. Now you need to scroll down and you need to find Google Photos. And right here we have it. So firstly, click at the check mark, and now right here we have all photos, albums included. You click at this line, and if you want to save all your Google Photos gallery, just click OK. You don't need to change something or select something. Right now you have all your photos by default. If you want to save some photos, you can deselect all and then select, let's say I want to save photos from 2025. Then click OK, scroll down, next step. So I'm going to use the link because we want to save it on computer. Export once, file type zip, and now file size. So if you have a lot of photos, I recommend to increase the size to 10 gigabytes or 50 gigabytes, but it's up to you. If you select 2 gigabytes, you will have a lot of files with 2 gigabytes, and 2 gigabytes is maximum. I will show you how it looks like. So click create export, and it will send mail on your email. So we need to sign in into Gmail. Again, you need to sign in into your current account, so change if you use another account, and you will have this list. So right here, for this example, it asked me to download 3 files, but the third one you don't need it. So you have no photos at the last one. If you have 5, the 5th one, just do not download it. And you just click at the button 1 and 2, or if you have 5, let's say, and first 4, and then you will have also the file with your photos, so you need to move it to your computer. So if you have the limit 2 gigabytes, this file will be maximum 2 gigabytes, not more. If you select 10, it will be up to 10. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.